right, are we able to proceed with Foster?
Yes.
Let's go on the record in the matter of People, State of Michigan versus Foster, file 244373 SM. Mr. Foster, can you hear me?
Yes,
Or
I can.
Ms. Foster, I apologize. Yeah, state your name, please.
Keely Foster.
All right. And appearances.
Mike Zakrzewski appearing on behalf of the people.
Tess Strasser on behalf of Ms. Foster.
And Mr. Zakrzewski.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe we are taking a plea today to retail
Oh,
fraud.
wait a minute. Oh, it is a plea. I do apologize. Ms. Silverstein, would you state your understanding then?
Tess Strasser on behalf of Ms. Foster. She is entering a guilty plea to retail fraud, third degree, with the fines and costs recommendation, with the agreed amount of restitution as $11.98 to Goodwill.
Mr. Zakrzewski.
Yes, that's our understanding with a fines and costs recommendation.
Ms. Foster, you heard that? Is that your understanding?
Huh?
Is that your understanding, ma'am?
That $11?
No, that you're pleading guilty to retail fraud third and that the restitution will be $11.98, but there'll still be other, I haven't even told you what my sentencing on that would be, but is that your understanding of what you're going to be doing here is pleading guilty to retail fraud third?
Yeah.
All right. You understand you have a right to trial, and if you went to trial, the prosecution would be obligated to prove that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yeah.
You understand that if you make a plea here today, you're going to tell us you're guilty and there's not going to be any trial of any kind. Is that your understanding, and is that your intention?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Has anyone tried to frighten you or force you into doing this?
No.
Has anyone made any promises that have not been placed on the record here today?
I mean, they said I would get no.
I'm sorry?
No, sir.
Are you currently on probation or on parole for any other criminal convictions?
I'm on probation, yes.
Are they aware of this?
Yes.
All right. The allegation here indicates that this is an incident that occurred on November 7, 2024. Is that true?
Yes.
The allegation indicates that this incident took place in Otsego Township of Allegan County in the state of Michigan. Is that also true?
Yes.
The allegation indicates that you stole property, and you said that was from Goodwill. Is that correct, Ms. Strasser?
Yes.
You stole property from Goodwill. Is that true, ma'am?
Yes. I was on my period.
And the value of the property stolen was less than $200. Is that right?
Yes.
And the restitution identified in this has been identified as $11.98. You agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. Are you satisfied with the plea, Ms. Strasser?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Zakrzewski?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you provided me with a basis to accept the plea. I will do so. Other than fines and costs, Mr. Zakrzewski?
No other recommendation, Your Honor.
Ms. Strasser?
Thank you. We are also asking for any time served to be credited towards her fines and costs in this matter as well. Thank you.
How much time served is there?
I know she has at least 2 days for this. I don't know how much initial time she had on it as well.
Can I get a plea deal?
Sorry?
Can I get a plea deal? Can I plea
Ma'am,
deal?
you're,
Can I get a time served?
well, you can ask for it, but I mean, yeah, if that's what your request is, that's fine. You can request that. Okay, so There we are. All right, so you say there was 2 days, you said, Ms. Strasser?
Yes.
Ma'am, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lessen your fines and costs a little bit to accommodate for the idea that there's been some time that you've been incarcerated, but the fines and costs are going to therefore be $100 fines of $100, state costs of 50, court costs of 200, crime victim rate fee of 75, and then the restitution of $11.98.
So I'm getting a plea deal, I mean, the time served.
So that's going to be a total then of $436.98.
Time served. Please, I wanna go home. I got so much to do. It's really crappy.
And then 2 days in jail credit for 2 days served. All right, you are all set with this case, ma'am. Good luck to you.
So I got 2 more days to go?
No, I'm giving you credit for the 2 days you've already served.
Oh, so I'm going home?
I don't know. Do you have any other charges?
No?
Oh, if this is it, then that you've been sentenced on this. Okay?